In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design pie charts in Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. This quick tutorial will walk you through the steps needed to create an eye-catching pie chart with ease. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Figma's website. If you're not familiar, Figma is a robust and popular interface design tool that allows real-time collaboration with others. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials and sign into your account to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your central hub in Figma, where all your projects and files are stored. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, keeping your workspace organized here makes accessing your projects a breeze. Next, navigate to the design section within Figma. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to create and manipulate various design elements. In this area, you'll find the tools necessary for creating different shapes and designs, which is exactly what we need for crafting a pie chart. The first tool we want to use is the ellipse. Click on the ellipse tool from the toolbar, or simply press the O key on your keyboard for an efficient shortcut. With the ellipse tool selected, click and drag on your canvas to draw a circle. Your circle will form the base of your pie chart, a clean and simple shape that we'll begin to manipulate next. Now that we have our circle in place, it's time to transform it into a pie chart. We do this using the arc tool. With your circle selected, find the arc icon in the design panel. It should be near the shape properties. Click on it, and this will allow you to adjust the angles of your shape to create sections of your pie chart. Here's a handy tip. By clicking and dragging the arc handles, you can adjust the size of each segment of your pie chart, creating a visual representation of your data. Experiment with different angles until your pie chart reflects the data distribution you want to showcase. And there you have it, a pie chart created in Figma using just a few tools and steps. It's important to remember that Figma is incredibly versatile, so feel free to play with colors, shadows and borders to make your pie chart stand out even more. Thank you for watching and happy designing.